best way to quick wash your car in Washington State is very quickly, or else you might make it rain. So here's what I do. Someone might not like this, but because it rains here so much, I use a foam cannon. I've experimented with expensive soaps, random expensive soaps, you know, all kinds of soaps. I've found that sometimes if you go with slightly cheaper soap, you won't feel as bad using more of it, and they tend to work better because I will soap up the car, let it stand there for 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes, and then pressure wash it off. Who knows when the next rain might be, but you've quick washed your car and it looks a lot better. I've had good luck with turtle wax, all kinds of cheaper turtle wax soaps. This is a new one. Let's give it a shot. Should look pretty good. Smells like a pina colada. Gotta go back to vacation mode. How about that post-wash startup?